Hi and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to replace cabin air filter in 2017 Jeep Patriot. This is gonna apply to Jeep Patriots made from 2007 and all the way up to 2017. Cabin air filter is located on the passenger side, right behind this glove box. To replace cabin air filter, first I'll have to open the glove box. Once when the glove box is open, take a look on the right hand side inside the glove box, and then you will notice this dampener cord right here. Use flathead screwdriver to pull it down and remove it. Once when that is removed, you will have to push on each side of the glove box to pull it down. Just like that. As you can see, you have stoppers on each side, so basically push on each side simultaneously and then pull it all the way down. Right behind this plastic cover is your cabin air filter. To remove this plastic cover, you will have to press on those clips. One is on the left hand side, another one is on the right hand side. So just press on them and remove this plastic cover. Before you take your old filter out, you want to note direction of the airflow. And as we can see, airflow is pointing down. And now I'm gonna remove this old air filter. So you can pinch it in the middle and then try to pull it out from one side, just like that. And look how nasty is that. Alright, arrows are pointing down. It's also a good idea, if you have any dirt, leaves, to remove from this area so it's nice and clean. Mine looks like it's clean there, and I'm gonna install a brand new air filter. So I'm making sure this airflow arrow is pointing down, and I'm just gonna install it back inside. Make sure it fits nicely. Just on the side note, on this plastic cover there is also shown the airflow. Now I'm gonna put this plastic cover back on, so pretty much you want to align it and push it in until it clicks. Now find your cord, grab it, and you will want to stick it back into that hole. Make sure it is nicely fitted inside. And now to put this glove box back inside, you will have to again push on each side of this glove box and push it in. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.